Hey everybody, happy Halloween. We are... What's that? Hey everybody, happy Halloween. So what we're gonna do today is we are actually going to carve a pumpkin, hopefully with the birds. We provided them some pumpkin to eat here as a little snack in the hopes that they will be joining us at the table for carving our pumpkin. So we're gonna see how this goes. Brendan's here to help us out. We've already sort of sketched a little face on our pumpkin that we're gonna attempt to make look like a halfway decent jack-o'-lantern, and hopefully the birds are interested and they'll want to be here with us. So let's see how this works. You want to carve a pumpkin with us? How exciting! Well, let's just start and see how they take to it. Obviously, I'm not a professional pumpkin carver. It's an arduous process. They're back! Look what we're doing, Burbs! We're cutting a pumpkin! Carving a pumpkin. This is interesting? You have no idea what's going on, do you? This is Pearl's first Halloween. She's never seen a pumpkin carve. It's Pillow's second Halloween. I don't remember if we did anything for Halloween with Pillow last year. I doubt it. But, yeah. Hey guys, there's some pumpkin on the table and some seeds. Pumpkin and millet, you want to eat?
That's for us.
Yeah.
That's for the birds.
And we are using child-safe pumpkin carving tools. Not only because we have a child, but because we have the birds. So there's no danger of any sharp knives or anything hurting anybody here.
They're done.
Okay.
Oh.
All right.
I can't lift it up.
Pull it up. Let's see. It's all loose. Just gotta work out the. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, how gross!
Stop.
Ooh. So Pearl is actually molting right now, which is why she might look a little bit scruffy, right? Are you molting? She's got pin feathers on her face and a little bit up top, right? What's going on over here? What's going on with this pumpkin? All right, so here, I'll use the big spoon here. Okay, thank you for doing this. And pumpkin seeds are actually a part of some bird treat mixes that we found. You can't eat these seeds right now because they're all kind of slimy and gross, but
Disgusting.
disgusting. Brendan is not a fan of this part of the pumpkin carving, which I don't blame him. It's kind of nasty.
They smell like, they smell like real pumpkin, but it's too gross.
Too gross, yeah.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, so Pillow was grooming Pearl, which she likes. Like having an in-house groomer, huh?
Oh gosh. I actually went to the ground the floor.
Oh. We're actually going to try to carve some sort of bird-themed thing into the jack-o'-lantern. We actually found an old stencil that was an owl, but this isn't the biggest pumpkin, and the stencil was actually larger than the pumpkin. So we thought instead of having a disastrous bird, we'll just have a halfway decent regular jack-o'-lantern. Right? So no bird in the pumpkin.
I just kissed my pumpkin.
Alright, here comes an eye.
I see it inside the pumpkin. Where's this?
Here comes an eye. Ready? Alright, first eye's out. Alright, eyeball number 2. Here it comes. Ooh. All right, the eyes are too close together and they are not symmetrical. Yay! Oh well.
I don't even see it going into the pumpkin. Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm on the other side. Oh, there it is.
There it is. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. Poking gun.
Decided we were gonna do a happy pumpkin. Some teeth here.
I'm trying to keep this table stable.
I realize I made the pen lines here a little too wide.
Rhyme. Table stable.
That's why Pearl doesn't want to be on your shoulder because you're wobbling back.
It's shaky.
Yeah.
Oh, is it shaky? I'm sorry, sweetie.
I'm trying to keep it stable.
Okay. Okay, ready? Here comes the mouth. There we go. What's that furry thing? He has a loose tooth like Brendan. Brendan had a loose tooth. Oh, not too long ago. Well, he obviously has not a very masterful looking face, but I'm gonna clean him up a little bit. Might look a little bit better.
That's really good. I like
Yeah.
that. Oh.
Alright, so here's our very mediocre jack-o'-lantern that the birds, well, I was going to say that they helped us carve. Of course, they did nothing of the sort. They just kind of flew around and kept us company, right? But was this interesting? Was it fun? You've never seen a pumpkin being carved before, have you? No, you haven't. It's a first thing. It's a first for you. Mwah. So can we say Happy Halloween to everybody?
Happy Halloween!
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Look at the seeds.
Seeds, look at the seed, delicious seed. Oh. Step up. Okay. Oh, you really like it, don't you?
This is a tour of my haunted house. So first I have my 3 jumping spiders set up here. There's this one, and this one. So, and this is my spider area. So I have all my spiders set up here. I have this one, which is broken. So it's just gonna be like that. And then we have these toy spiders. They're just for the decoration spider area. Now we have these fuzzy spiders, which I really like. They're just here for no reason. I don't know. So now we're gonna move over to this area, which is just like a little barn area thing. So we have all these bats stuff. We also have this rat, and we have the snake, and we also have the fingers coming out of the ground.
Say that they're fingers and not candles, even if the candles are far away.
Yeah, and we have another one over here. And we also have this area. It's just like a little graveyard area where there's just a few bugs. Great, this gravestone here. And so next we have this shelf. Oh, I forgot something. So here we just have this ghost here. His thing broke off. He's meant to hang, but he doesn't. He can't hang. But he's good just to be right here. And so this is the haunted shelf where I have this pumpkin thing, and I have like the two-headed snake, and I have like the dragon up here. And we also have these pumpkins set up everywhere. There's a bat behind it, which is not really anything. We have two birds up there, this one and this one, and also that little pumpkin down here. And then the other thing is that a crow with a witch hat. And we also have this goes behind this pumpkin thing we set up. This ghost can't see his face too good, he's not over. But we also have these pumpkins behind this, like a little pumpkin thing or whatever you call it. And we have another one of those ghosts. And this is actually the bigger version of them. And we also have all these spiders taped up everywhere. There's some there, some everywhere. We have all the spider webbing with the skeletons in it. So as we go up, so we have the spider here that's like coming down from the spider webbing. It doesn't really work too good, but I'm just gonna keep it like, trying to make it good, that or something. I can't make it too good. And the last thing is that I have this skeleton I taped to the wall. I made it at my school. And on the other side it's colored, but I don't want to see the color, so I did on the other side of it. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween!